Welcome back to Living in Cape Coral. Dean here with eXp Realty, and today I got another beautiful home to showcase. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage, just over 2,200 square feet. You got to come and check it out. Let's go. When you're thinking of Florida living, this is what I'm talking about right here. Order up! This home also has this beautiful deck on the Freshwater Canal here. It's got a jet ski lift on each side, and then you got this great view right in your backyard. Well, as you can see, this is a spectacular property. So if you have any further interest or questions on this property, give me a call today or any other real estate here in Cape Coral. Have an excellent day.